together?
Yes, ma'am. Would you like to see?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we've got you a brand new windshield to replace the one that was broken in the accident. And that's going to sit here just like that. And we also have a new wheel to go on where the wheel had come off the car. So that gets you rolling back down the road.
That's awesome.
Put it on. Okay. Push that down in its little spot. Make sure that, does that look good? Does it look like it's aligned properly? Yeah? Okay. Perfect.
It was beautiful.
Thank you. Go ahead and put your ornament on your hood here. This ring is going to go in that little hole right there, okay?
Okay.
You got to put it on there. Give her a push right there. Push it in. Push it hard. Yeah, you're strong. Well, ma'am, we got your car back to pre-accident condition. Everything is back exactly how you had it before the accident. Are you happy with all the repairs? Yes. Okay. Well, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate your business. You have a good day. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.